EQUALIZER International has come up with the NS36TE external hydraulic nut splitter, a nut splitter that can tackle 50mm to 65mm flat nut size ranges. This machine is designed to be on par with the challenges bolted pipeline flange joints bring. It uses a single heat-treated tool steel cutting tip that has proven itself capable of cutting up to 100 high-grade heavy hex nuts. The NS36TE is also known for its heat-treated shock-resistant tool steel cutting tip and optimized cutting head geometry. To ensure safety while operating, it is also integrated with a steel shroud enclosing the cutting zone to protect against flying particles. Offering the best solution through the different mounting options available, the DARDA Rock Splitter C20 is sure to be one of the most notable and versatile attachments ever. This is commonly used for rock demolition or for destroying large masses of concrete. It has a total split force of 1,500 tons for its short wedge set and 1,800 tons for its long wedge set, thanks to the integrated booster that increases the circuit pressure by 7,000 psi. With its easy insertion and lighter weight, this is best for job sites that require immense power despite the limitation on equipment size. Maintenance costs are also cut down tremendously when using this machine because it has an integrated lubrication system that increases productivity while preventing premature wear of the wedge sets. This is perfect for any job within the range of trenching, site development, road expansion work, and even excavating the hardest rock formation. Whenever accidents happen, the TNT Rescue Systems is one of the most reliable teams you can call on. Whether it's a natural disaster, a vehicular accident, or just any emergency that needs cutting, this machine is best for it. It has shard blades and a high hydraulic power made to cut through anything from iron bars, vehicle bodies, and even metals. This is a life-saving machine equipped with a ton of extensions for any emergency situation. The MOSMATIC high-pressure cleaning is setting a whole new standard when it comes to commercial and industrial cleaning, offering a wide range of cleaning surfaces like concrete, wood, flagstone, and even graffiti removal and gum removal for commercial and industrial projects. This will surely meet all your cleaning needs. MOSMATIC is able to provide effective and efficient cleaning equipment for any and every type of operation. It has an all-in-one cleaning tool that perfectly meets the standards on having the best quality, ergonomic design, and sustainability meant for everyday use. Additional features include effective and efficient cleaning, a fluid recovery system, and a gum remover bracket. Solid waste doesn't just go to the garbage and magically end up in landfills. They go through a whole process, and one of the machines that could help with it is the GSX garbage shears from NYE Manufacturing. It has a unique system that cuts municipal solid waste to fine pieces for high-density packing into trucks to cut down transport costs and save space in landfills. Using its jaws with biomimetic teeth that bypass and shear, mass waste is handled and processed correctly, even in limited spaces. Integrating the QT100 tempered steel plate and AR500 in critical wear areas makes sure that the frame will last for a long time. Twisting and racking of the structure is also prevented by heavy wall torque tubes that tie the jaws together. Oversized pivot pins and bushings also ensure durability and long life. Monitoring the optimum jaw positioning under all working conditions is also done through the optional high-pressure brace cylinder with rod guard. The new track construction from Harsco Rail is also included on this list. Harsco Rail has created this new rail track system that can lay around 1.5 kilometers of track per day. This is also versatile in terms of the materials it can handle, since it can work with concrete, pre-plated wood, or steel ties while not requiring any overhead crane to control the flow. To further enhance efficiency and effectiveness, the spacing can also be predetermined so that it can run through day and night with lesser supervision. Speaking of rail track laying, a much faster way of doing it is through the use of Geismar track layer. This follows a completely new method of laying rail track, which includes the use of lems and PEMs. The track will first be transported by the lems of the moving trolleys. The lems are capable of keeping the load at the same level even when it is moving up and down different tracks. This is also controlled by only one person. On the other hand, the PEM gantries are the upper part of the system used. If the lems transport the tracks, the PEMs lay down the tracks slowly so that perfect positioning is achieved. Using 16 PEM gantries and 14 lem trolleys, this whole process can lay down a 150-meter stretch in just 16 hours. Up next is the Volvo PL4809E Pipelayers, a rotating pipe layer famous for bringing lifting performance to new and greater heights. With its intelligent design, high-tech features, and solid stability, the PL4809E remains as one of the most productive and versatile machines that promises maximum uptime and return on investment. It isn't only capable of doing what traditional side booms do, but also has infinite placement possibilities. It has its unique 360-degree swing capacity, completed with the stability to work safely up to a 35-degree slope. The E-Series Volvo pipe layers can also handle large and heavy pipes with ease thanks to its superior capacities, unique design, and 102-ton tipping capacity. This is also a ROPS safety-certified cab already, so operators are sure that it can provide ergonomically positioned controls and excellent vibration and noise insulation. The hydraulic cab riser system also offers excellent visibility both into the trench and around the worksite. Its controls are based on the excavator cab layout, meaning you can pick from a large pool of operators. Aside from that, the PL4809E is also able to take on many applications with only one machine, since it has 360-degree swing including loading, offloading, tie-ins, and feeding pipe bending machines, which helps avoid moving the tracks and damaging the ground, as well as increase safety on the job site. This next one is still from Volvo, but it's from its excavator line. This is the EC460C High Reach, which was built to ensure maximum safety in all demolition applications. Falling debris is something common among demolition jobs. That's why a machine with a sturdy frame and ultimate protection is much appreciated. In the case of the EC460C High Reach, it can provide both of these things while also giving a wider and clearer view of the job site. This does not only increase productivity, but also enhances safety through giving excellent visibility. Last but not least, we have the FORIGO stone burrier designed to process the soil and bury stones, clods, debris, and cultural residues with great efficiency even in difficult and demanding working conditions. It has combined the power of an inverted rotation of a special rotor, a selector rake, and a leveling bar to cover the buried material with a fine and clean soil layer. This results in a more simplified version of seeding transplanting operations of several vegetable and special crops, creating very well-formed, stable, and porous cultivation beds. Its large frame is also composed of a single, double, triple fixed, and folding foldable machine to suit every kind of job and tractor power.